Welcome back, guys. 1 liter milk. 1 cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of flour. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We mix the ingredients. We bring a plate. Sprinkle coconut on. We remove the pudding from the fire. We added 2 tablespoons of butter to it. 1 packet of vanilla. Mix well. Mix. Pour the pudding immediately while it's hot. Let it cool. We make the second layer. We need cherry jam. It's okay if you have fresh cherries. If any fruits you like are available, that would be great too. Add 2 glasses of water. Mix until homogeneous. Add 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix. Do not forget to support me and subscribe to the channel, my dears. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Really tasty and light recipe.